guys, and welcome to this how-to section in which I'm going to show you how you can check if your Facebook pixel actually works. Why is this important? Well, you really want to open up the black box and understand what a potential customer actually does on your website, right? So you really want to understand whether a person just takes a look at the page, or really takes a look at specific content, or what could be a product or a service of you, and even adds it to the shopping cart and then does not purchase, and so on and so forth. So you can really measure the entire customer journey from page view to view content, to add to cart, initiate checkout, and even purchase. Okay, and this all of those steps you could even add a specific value to it, so you can really measure how much money your ads bring you. Okay, so let's jump right into it, and I will show you how I measure that in the most efficient way. So what I would recommend to you is that you go into Google, okay, you search for the Facebook Pixel Helper, okay, Facebook Pixel Helper, which is a Google Chrome extension. So this little trick does not work in Safari or on Firefox. So I would recommend you to go into Google Chrome, search for the Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome Web Store extension. Mine's here in German, but that's no problem. So this one, the Facebook Pixel Helper, you want to add it to your Chrome browser, add the extension, and then it will pop up here on the right. It will even give you a little explanation here, but we don't need that right now. Okay, so right now the Facebook Pixel Helper does already track if there are some Facebook pixels installed, and as you can see in this Chrome Web Store there are no pixels installed, which is okay. But for example, and then you can already get started with your own website, but I have chosen this website of some friends of mine, for example, where I would recommend you to try the Pixel Helper. Okay, so for example, let's refresh that, and you see Facebook Pixel Helper already measures. So the first thing it tells you is which pixel ID is installed. Okay, so that's the ID of those guys here. Okay, then it shows you the page view, which is usually the only event that is triggered at all levels of the page. Okay, and then when we go into one specific product, for example this fancy bracelet here, it should give me a view content. Exactly, because I'm already taking a look at one specific product, and you see the value is 25 euros. Perfect. Okay, so that's exactly what the pixel would communicate to our business manager backend. Okay, it even gives you the currency and the name of the product. Okay, and that's very good. So if we go one step further, okay, excellent. So we added it to the shopping cart. Okay, so it does not, so it has tracked the page view. Then when we take a look at one product, it's a view content. Now it add to the shopping cart, and now when we want to finish our order, it should be an initiate checkout, and it's not the case right now, but usually here in that stage it's initiate checkout. Okay, and you can type in whatever you want here, your address, and then the next event it would measure if you complete the payment process. It should measure here a purchase. Okay, and that's exactly how the Facebook Pixel Helper communicates with your business manager, and that's how all those columns with the events actually get their results from, because this Pixel Helper communicates with your backend. So I hope this was useful for you guys, and I want to say Dankeschön in an Austrian way, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.